If you have literally the following ingredients, you can make cookies. Good, good cookies. But I have to tell you, this is not my recipe, and I will include the video in the description box below. Hey, how you doing? This is Jan. Welcome to another episode on my channel, the Save Money More with Jan channel. This is truly a money-saving recipe and delish. I'm in the process now, a part of this recipe, because right now I have the dough in the freezer. I want to make a good, delicious shortbread cookie, not my recipe. And let me give you the channel name. And the channel name is Bake Only. Bake Only. All right, I love it. And their video name is 3 ingredient butter cookies. And it says shortbread, easy and delicious. Again, I repeat, I am including their video in the description box below. But I point this recipe out to my viewers. Why? Because I am a frugal and budget-minded channel. And the 3 ingredients are simply this: flour, butter, and confectionery sugar. Period. End of story. Case closed. Most people have flour in their home pantry. Most people have butter, and it only needs 1 stick or 8, how do they call it, tablespoon, a teaspoon? 8 tablespoons of butter is 1 stick of butter. So you only need 1 stick. All right? So it's flour, butter, and a half a cup of confectionery sugar. And don't worry, if you don't have any confectionery sugar, all you have to do is take your actual white granulated sugar, throw it in your blender, and pulverize it, and voila, you got confectionery sugar. I'm just saying. So that's a great, great trick. So part of the method of this, the method is so easy, and you'll see it on the video. I love how clear this video is. By the way, if this content creator is listening to this video, my hat is off to you. Thank you very much for sharing it and for also mentioning the degrees, not necessarily in other styles of temperature sharing. I still work with degrees. Thank you very much. So for someone like me, it's really, really helpful. What I like about this project, it's inexpensive, and in my opinion, it has no other choice than to be delicious. So basically, you're going to need 8 tablespoons of butter, a half a cup of powdered sugar, and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Do you think you could handle that? I know I could. Mix until combined, okay? And then you're going to form a dough by hand. And then you're going to shape it in a certain way. You'll see the video. Then you'll wrap it in plastic wrap, throw it in the freezer for 30 minutes. Then you'll cut it down. Then you'll put it on a parchment covered, cookie sheet. And you'll watch the video and you will see. And it has no choice but to be delicious. So I just had to pass this wonderful video on to you. And again, one thing great about this platform, there's a never-ending plethora of amazing information. And to only need flour, confectionery sugar, and butter, I think most of us could literally handle it. Have an amazing, fantastic day. Don't forget to come back in the future for some more shows. Take good care of yourself and your lovely family.